video, we will show you how to draw a fireplace by yourself. We found a modern fireplace from the internet, let's try to use construction to make it. Go to construction. Use rectangle tool to draw the space outline of the fireplace. Then, add guidelines to make our drawing more accurately. Push and pull function makes a three-dimensional shape of the fireplace. You can input accurate dimensions here. Inclined triangular faces can be completed by drawing closed faces with the line tool. Then use the push and pull function to make the hearth of the fireplace. Hold down Shift key to select the frame. Group the drawn shapes is convenient to pave materials at one time. Then ungroup. Pave other material to specific parts. At last, add some end material to the wall. Go back to DIY. Filter some wood models. Drop to the fireplace. Go to render. Add Omni light into the fireplace in light customization. render. This is the way to draw a fireplace. Hope it can provide some ideas to you. See you next time.